Hi everyone, this is Sirisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Annamacharya University. Today I am going to explain Introduction to Java and its features. Now we can see what is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language and high-level programming language developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems. In 1991, it took 18 months to develop first working version of Java. This language was initially called Vogue but was renamed in Java in 1995. While Java is object-oriented programming language means because in Java we can implement the programs by using objects except primitive types. That's why Java is not 100% object-oriented programming language because of primitive types. But Java is a object-oriented programming language. And now we can see Java features. Sun Microsystems officially defined with Java some features like compiled and interpreted, platform independent and portable, object oriented, simple, small and familiar, high performance, architectural, neutral. The first one, compiled and interpreted. Normally, programming languages can be either compiled or interpreted, but Java is a language which can be compiled as well as interpreted. First, Java compiler translates the Java source code into special code called bytecode. Then, Java interpreter interrupts this bytecode to obtain the equivalent mission code. This mission code is then directly executed to obtain the output. For example, this is one source code called a.java. In Java, every source code saved with the extension of .java. The file name is a. So this source code, we can convert this source code into bytecode using compiler. And next, the interpreter converts this bytecode into binary level language or mission level language because computers cannot understand human languages like English, Hindi. That's why we can convert the bytecode into mission level language, that is zeros and ones. This mission level language processor works and provide the output. Next, platform independent and portable. Platform independent is the most existing feature of Java program. That means programs in Java can be executed on different platforms. This feature is based on the goal write once, run anywhere. Java supports portability in two ways. Java compiler generates the bytecode which can be further used to obtain the corresponding mission code. Secondly, the primitive data types used in Java are mission independent. We can see this diagram. First, a source code was converted into bytecode using compiler. This bytecode takes this bytecode and execute this bytecode in another operating systems. For example, we can generate this bytecode in one operating system and another operating system like Mac, Linux or Windows take this bytecode and process this bytecode with their own operating systems and produce the output because every operating system's execution processor are different. That's why it takes the bytecode from one operating system and it execute that bytecode in their own operating systems. Here, Java bytecode is a platform independent, not Java source code is platform independent. It follows the concept of write once and run anywhere. We can write the source code and generate the bytecode once, and we can execute that bytecode in number of times in any other operating systems. Next, object oriented. Java is a truly object oriented language. Almost everything in Java is an object. All programs, code, and data reside within objects and classes. In Java, we can create every program using objects only. Fourth one, simple, small, and familiar. Java is a simple and small programming language. Even though you have no programming background, you can learn this comfortably. The programmers who work on C or C++ can learn this language more effectively because the syntax of Java resembles with C and C++. If any persons they don't know the programming language, that persons also we can easily learn the programming language like Java. If anyone knows the C or C++, that time the persons are easy effectively learning the Java programs. Next, high performance. Due to the use of bytecode, the Java has high performance. The use of multi-threading also helps to improve the performance of Java. Next, architectural neutral. We have uploaded bytecode file on the internet, and from the internet different countries of people will try to download that bytecode file. Java program can be compiled at once at one graphical location and can be executed on different graphical locations. We have compiled the code only once and execute the code multiple times. Now we can see the example of architectural neutral. First, we can write the one source code and generate the bytecode of that source code. And that bytecode we can upload in internet in one graphical location. And next, that graphical location takes the another graphical locations are take this bytecode and execute their own operating systems. For example, this bytecode was generated in India and uploaded in India internet, and other countries of peoples try to download this bytecode from internet and take this bytecode and execute it in their countries. Next, the first program of Java. Hello program is the first program in Java. Hello world is the first program in Java. Class public class hello world public static void string args. This indicates the signature of the main method. And system.out.println hello world. Here, this is the printing statement of the hello world. This is the small example for Java program. Now we can see which words are defined it is in program. Public class both are keywords, and public defines it is a access modifier. That means we can access anywhere. Class is a keyword and it is used to create the class. Public static void main string args. This is the signature of the main method. It is for executing purpose. Main method is compulsory. Without main method, we cannot execute the Java programs. System.out.println, it is a printing statement. Class names always start with uppercase letters and save the Java source code with the extension of .java. Public class hello world declares a public class named hello world. Public static void main string args. The main is the signature of the main method. This is the signature of the main method. It is used to execute the program. Here public static void. These three words are keywords or predefined words. But main is not a keyword and it is not a predefined word. Main is a user defined word. But everyone take main method name is main only because the implementation of main method is already done in JDK. Till now, no one are tried to change the main method name. That's why everyone taking main method name is main only. System.out.println hello world. It is a printing statement in Java prints hello world to the console. The output is hello world. And next, how to compile and execute the Java programs. See this. Compile the Java program. First, switch or navigate the directory where you saved your .java file. And next, compile using Java C. Java C is a Java compiler. Use it to compile the Java source code. Use the Java compiler to convert your source code into bytecode, that is .class file. Syntax for compile the Java programming: Java C file name .java. For example, previous program name is hello world. So Java C hello world.java. Executing the Java program, run using Java Virtual Machine to execute the compiled bytecode. Syntax for executing the Java program: Java file name. The previous program file name is hello world. So Java hello world. This is the brief introduction of Java and its future and the first program of the Java. Thank you.